Hello to my smart kids. I hope now you are ready to learn, and today we have a special chapter which is the chapter number 6. So you might be wondering what we are going to do today, and in this chapter which is the chapter number 6, we will learn vocabulary words. You know, vocabulary words, they play a very vital role to understand language, to speak language, to think in English, and finally to speak in English. And I hope everybody will be super excited to know the vocabulary words which we are going to learn today. So the first word which we are going to learn is the word called Titanic. Now what is the meaning of this beautiful word which is Titanic? So Titanic means which is big or huge, something which is very huge. So that's called Titanic. You already know the word which is big and huge, but today we are going to learn a new word which is Titanic. And how are you going to use the word Titanic? So do not use if you see a pencil and you find that the pencil is really big. You can't say that I have a Titanic pencil. It is going to be incorrect. Remember using it with such things which are super big. For example, you saw a river when you went to maybe a vacation, and there you saw a huge river. So that is how we say that I saw a Titanic river, I saw a Titanic sea, or maybe you like to visit Titanic or you like to see Titanic oceans. So oceans, rivers, seas, maybe other water bodies could be something in which you can use the word Titanic. Let's see the sentence that you have, and what you want to learn today is with the sentence Titanic, I saw a Titanic ship in the ocean. So we have used the word Titanic to signify that the ship is actually very big. So that's called I saw a Titanic ship in the ocean. The next word after that which we are going to do is vivid. Now what is the meaning of the word vivid? Vivid means something which is very clear, something that is completely understandable, something that is very clear is called vivid. For example, if you have a memory in your mind of what happened in the previous class, or you have a memory of some vacation, we say we have a vivid memory of maybe some incident that had happened. So we will say vivid. Vivid means clear. Let's see the sentence that we have here. Sheila had a vivid memory about the first day of her school. So vivid means something which is clear. You can also use it with color. If you see a red and that's a beautiful clear red color, you can say, oh wow, she was wearing a vivid red dress, which means the red was actually very vivid. So next after that we have is test yourself. If you can see in your workbooks, there are two pictures which are given there, and with the picture there are words vivid and Titanic. You have to match that what exactly is the picture that can tell you vivid, and what's the picture that could be matched with the next word you've learned, which is Titanic. So please do this homework, and I'm sure you'll be able to learn these words. That is all about the chapter number 6.